Hey, are you tired of feeling stuck in Excel? Do you dream of building cool apps, not just fixing bugs? Yeah, I get it. You love the power of Excel, but you want more. More creativity, more impact, and maybe even a way to make some extra cash.
My name is Jon Muller, and I created Excel Navigator because I believe Excel app and add-in development is your ticket to practical programming skills and a whole lot more. I started just like you. I wanted to build something awesome, but feeling like there was something missing, a missing piece. And that missing piece was learning how to truly leverage Excel's full potential. Here at Excel Navigator, we dive deep into building practical Excel VBA apps and add-ins. I'll show you the best practices and how to use AI to speed up the development process, and even how to turn your creations into a profitable side hustle, potentially a full-time hustle. Imagine building an Excel app that solves a real problem and then selling it online, or becoming the Excel consultant, sharing your expertise with the world. We're not just talking about boring spreadsheets here. We're talking about becoming an Excel hero, building innovative tools and unlocking your full potential. If you're ready to ditch the mundane and build the apps you've always dreamed of, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Let's build something amazing together. Welcome to Excel Navigator. And hey, to see what's possible, go over to excelnavigator.com, download the Excel Navigator add-ins and play with them. This just showcases one of the many ways that you can develop Excel add-ins or apps and sell them online. And also PS, the Excel Navigator Object Explorer is particularly handy when you develop new Excel applications. Go check it out.